Hey, hi friends. I am live now. So friends, welcome to the 54th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So I know I am late today. Okay, right. So due to connectivity issues and all, but yes, guys, I am live now. So I request all of my subscribers and viewers to please join this live session. So I'm going to wait for once they will join, then we'll start this live session, guys. Guys, can you confirm me? Am I audible? Can somebody confirm me that am I audible or not? Okay, thank you for confirming me. Okay, so I can see now. Yeah, so I'll start taking your question, guys. Just have patience. Sure, I'm going to take your each and every questions. Okay, so you no need to worry about that one. Fine. So before that, again, I'm going to do an announcement for all of you. As you know that without your support, I'm nothing. Okay. So yes, thank you for supporting my channel, right? And please keep your support like this only. And those who have still not subscribed the channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, right? If you like the content, okay. If you like the content, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, guys. Very honest. Just be with yourself. So I am trying to publishing only those content, okay, which is pure content, pure authentic, right, and purely from a production environment. Okay, so yes, please go ahead and subscribe the channel if you have still not subscribed, because your support is much more needed for me, right? Fine, and share with your friends, family, colleagues, and all, whoever is in need, because my aim and goal is very clear. Let's learn and earn. Okay, so everybody has to learn and earn. Okay, so that is the basic goal of this channel and my websites and all. Okay, and there are few announcements also, since it's hardly, I can say, it's today is 13th, right? So mostly another 15 days are left for batch 4. My 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 4 is going to start from 31st of July. Most of you know, already aware of that one, right? And yes, and you know there are very limited seats in my batch, so hardly I take only 50 candidates in one batch. Okay, so still few seats are left. So those who are still interested, they can reach out to me. Okay, how they can reach out to me? So either you can send mail to support at the rate of abrosh.com. Okay, or directly you have to enroll yourself, guys. So where you have to enroll yourself, so let me share my screen quickly so you guys will understand. Okay, so can somebody confirm me, Ram or yeah, Mohammed, right, that are you able to see my screen? Okay, can somebody confirm me that you guys are able to see my screen? Technical KH or someone. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, thank you. So, guys, here you can see clearly that this is my website. Okay, all of you are aware of this one, abhishekroshan.com. And in this one, you just need to click on these courses. Okay, so once you click on these courses, so directly it will redirect you to my upcoming classes, which is going to start from 31st of July. And this is 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And in this one, you know, I'm covering each and everything with real-time production environment scenarios, right? Whether it's Linux, shell scripting, AWS, database, or it's all DevOps tools. Okay, that includes your monitoring tools also. That includes your automation tool also. If somebody wanted to know what is the course content, just click on this course content. Just click here. So it will be uh, redirect you to the course content of this page, so you can see the course content also, which is going to be covered, okay, during the next 6 months. And if you are concerned about the timings and all, so everything is very transparent. It is mentioned over here also. The course duration, it's going to be 6 months. mode of classes, it's going to be live classes, right? And the batch is going to start from 31st of July. Batch timing is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday, at Indian Standard Time. Means it's as per our Indian time. Okay, and because since there was a request also, sir, do we have installment payment? Yes, we have installment payment also. So you can make an installment payment in 3 installments. Even it's not 2 installment, you can make it. If you wanted to go with a single shot, you can go with that one. So there you are going to get more discounts. Okay, but if you wanted to go with the installment payment, so the fee is the same. Okay, but it is only divided into 3 installments. So before joining the classes, you have to pay first installment. After 30 days of the classes, you have to pay second installment, and after 60 days of the classes, you have to pay the third installment. So there should not be any burden also for anyone who has some financial issues and all. Okay, so this is and what you are going to get, it's clearly mentioned over here, and I have repeated multiple times in my previous videos also, in my shorts also, right? So it's mentioned, and if you have further doubts, you can send me mail to support@abros.com, guys. Okay, so I hope things are very clear for you. Terms and condition is also mentioned, how the class will be there, what is the how you can consume the videos and all. Everything is in front of you, right? And please go through all the policies, right? And how me and my team is providing support to the candidates if they have any issues or doubts, queries related to the topic wise. So we are providing support via WhatsApp only. Okay, and one-to-one support is also available in this one, so they can reach out to me via messages or voice notes. Okay, so these are the real chats from my previous batches, which is mentioned over here. You can see from batch 2 and batch 3, it is these screenshots are there, okay, of the chats, which you can see it's sent by individual candidates also, and in group also it is sent. You can see it's exactly from the same WhatsApp. Candidates who has been placed recently with a good package, their details are also mentioned. You wanted to verify, please go ahead and verify from LinkedIn as well. Okay, so I hope things are very transparent, crystal clear, right? And as I am telling from day one only that this is not an institute and all. So you are going to get the training from corporate. Okay, so from my company only. So that is Abroad Technology Services LLP. So even if you wanted to showcase, if you are a fresher, you can use that I would say that certificate, 6 month training certificate you are going to get from that corporate. Okay, from my company only, so that you can mention anywhere, guys, without any single hesitation. Okay, and even if you go and check Abroad Technology Services LLP, so you will be in Google also, you go and search, it is listed everywhere. Okay, so that's not a problem. So fine, so guys, this is all about the batch 4, and there is also something, as I told you, that I am working on candidate each and every part, like to help them. Okay, not only just to skill them, also to make sure they should be industry ready, but at the same time, so candidate has a problem that how and where they are going to apply for the jobs, they are not getting any calls or something like that. So for that also, my own product is there. As I told you, that freshertube.com, it was there before also, but now my team is started working in this one. So now the website look and all, it's a lot of change, guys, and we have been working days and night to help you guys only. So this entire infrastructure is built by me only. Okay, and yes, so most of the things, and my team is also working on the front end part and all. Okay, so you can see these are just hand-picked jobs only for you. This is my own website. If you wanted to know more about this one, so just scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see the about us page, the contact us page, and all the policies are mentioned over here. Just for a quick, that you, like, if you are looking for a fresher jobs and all, so this is, you no need to pay anything over here. You simply just visit this website, freshertube.com. Okay, you just go and search in fresher tube, okay, in Google. Okay, it will be show you this website only, Google, because it is very old. Okay, so here you just need to click on freshers if you wanted to see the freshers jobs. If you wanted to see the experience job for Bangalore location, Hyderabad location, Chennai location, so these are all hand-picked, because the complaint was all the most of the time that they are, candidates are searching. For example, you wanted to looking for a Linux admin job, or you wanted to looking for a DevOps engineer job, or right, different roles and all. So I know, right, I have been already through these things. So especially me and my team is picking the hand-picked jobs, okay, from the official websites, okay, from, for example, if I am talking about Razorpay, okay, so, or if I am talking about any other company, like, right, so you can see my here there are some news also, right. So whether it's Razorpay, whether it's Google jobs, okay, or whether it's Oracle jobs, okay, so these all jobs are officially picked from the official website. So there is no third party involved in this one. So we are directly picking, putting our effort into this one, so that you guys can directly come over here. You just need to click over here. For example, if I'm telling you, you are looking for a job in Razorpay for cloud and infrastructure engineer, you can see at a manager role, or if you are looking for a job especially in DevOps and all, okay. So what you need to do, you just click on this one, all the details are mentioned over here, right. And here you just need to scroll down, you can see the key roles and responsibility, also mandatory qualification, right. And the link, it is directly from the Razorpay dashboard. So once you click on this link, it will be directly see you can directly leading it to the Razorpay dashboard. It is not something LinkedIn and all, okay. And I'm not promoting anything anywhere, anyone here, okay. So this is so that we are making your job easy, okay. So you no need to think that. So normally what we do, that's what I know, right. Most of us, what we do is directly that we go to Naukri and we'll apply, okay, but we don't know whether you have applied in the actual portal or not, right. Correct. So I am just removing that gap. Let's directly come to my website and apply. You will be directly redirecting it to the company portal, official portal, okay. So there you are going, you are applying, so you are also sure that you have applied in the company portal, correct. So that is why I wanted to, and even I have also done the same thing during my time. So that's what I'm doing it with the help of my own website to cover up that gap, okay, what normally candidates are facing, okay. So that is fine, guys. And in this portal also, you can see one more thing. I just wanted to update over here. Where is that? Okay. So in this one, guys, soon I'm going to add other cities also. As soon as we'll grow in this one, we'll see how the traffic and all it's coming. You can see the latest news also. Normally you heard those news from here and there. You no need to go anywhere. You can get all AI related news, all IT related news, all layoffs, everything, okay, which is related to IT only, specifically. So you are going to get it over here. And as I said, this is one of the best part of this website, is that you are going to get all interview question and answer soon in this part, whether it's Linux, shell scripting, AWS and DevOps, okay. Here only, correct. And there are few more services which I am going to add, but as I told you very clearly, those are the paid services. You no need to ask me through mail or through my channel and all, okay. So that will be coming, you can come directly over here, and you can pay somewhere else. You can directly just pay over here, that paid services, whether it's mock interview, whether it's career counseling, or whether it's resume building and all. So soon those services will be also added here, right. And you guys can use those services, right, with a, so at a reasonable rate and all. So I'm taking all the aspects, I'm considering each and everything, right. And soon you are going to see those services. But again, I'm telling you, but the live classes is more important, right. So those who are looking for the live online classes, okay, as I told you, because the success rate in the live classes is almost 95%, because there I'm explaining all real-time projects and all, which I cannot publish anywhere, okay. Which I told also multiple times. And for that, you need to join to see the real-time troubleshootings, how you have to do the troubleshooting in production environment, and why Linux is important, shell script is important, or database or cloud is important for your DevOps tools and all, guys, right. So for that, you have to join the batches, correct. So fine. Now, guys, I think I have done all my announcements which is required. So let me take the questions one by one over here. So Ram Sekhar, hi Ram, hi Mohammed. Okay, and I can see Ram Sekhar, sir. Give me good self introduction of 2 years experience Linux administrator interview. For this, you have to join the live online classes, Ram, because in my live online classes only, normally I do a complete mentorship. It's not only the technical side, but in my live online classes, this is why I'm telling you, please go and check that one, where I'm also train my candidates how to give the proper introduction in very precise manner, in very accurate manner. If you're going for any of the interview, so you should not be deviated during the interview, and you will feel confidence, right? That should be there. So that is only coming when you are going to get mentor under me, right? And each and every step I'm ready to guide, whether you are going for the first round of the interview, you are going for the second round of the interview, how you have to interact with the technical panel, how you have to interact with the HR for salary negotiation and all. Each and everything I'm explaining over here, in my live online batches. Okay, so for that you have to connect with me. Okay, it cannot be done in this live session and all. Right, Ramsekhar, I hope you get your answer. Right, so I'm ready to guide, I'm ready to mentorship. Recently I'm telling you, one of my candidate, he is in my batch 3. Okay, right, so I don't wanted to take the name of that candidate because his privacy is very very important. So just keeping his privacy, I'm just telling what question he has asked me. See, he's already doing the classes from me and he's doing very good. Okay, but he came up with a issue. He called me and he told, sir, now the thing is that he's working in a client location in Noida. Okay, and his parent company, that is CGI, it's in Bangalore. Its base location is Bangalore. Now the client is, I would say the project is going to end soon. So what he has to do now, because now he is scared whether he is going to, the project is going to end and he don't wanted to come back to the base location. So how to deal with this kind of a situation and all. So these things also I am mentoring, guys. So don't think so that Abhishek Roshan is just taking the, it's preparing you, just taking the live classes and only the technical part. No, you are absolutely wrong. So I am not only preparing you for the technical to be very strong. It's not only for like 1 year 2 year, for next 15 years, that is there. Plus how you should make sure how you prepare resume each and every time, that also those tips and tricks has been shared with you, right? Mock interview is also part of my live online classes. Career counseling is also my part of my live classes, right? And at the same time, after the classes, okay, if you have doubts, queries and all, it's not only, I can understand, it's not only related to the topic. If it is something related to your current organization also, right, you get stuck somewhere, you are not getting appreciation, right, what, how to deal with those situations also, right? And how to, anyway, switching is one thing which I am already telling. Okay, so that is already happening. But at the same time, you should be stress free in your current organization. How to write mail, how to communicate with your senior management, how to communicate with your managers, how to communicate with your senior delivery managers and all, each and everything I am guiding them. Okay, and if you are going for any interview, you have cleared first round, so what all steps you need to take for the second round, what all final steps means for the before final interview, what all steps you need to remember, right? So because you guys are new and I have already gone through that phases and all, so those things also I am explaining. Fine. So I hope, Ram, you got your answer. So let's move on to the next question. Abdul, how to master Docker Terraform? To master Docker and Terraform, my project. Okay, my project is a purely, you need to work on migration project, Abdul. Okay, because 95% of the project in current market, it's migration project. So either they are in on premises, most of the client, and you go and check with anyone. Very honest answer. Okay, and this is on the behalf of data and this is on the basis of my previous experience. So from last, I would say, 5 6 project I have done all migration project only, right, where we have migrated their entire portal. Okay, I don't wanted to take the client, I am keeping the client confidential, and that is very big client. Okay, so that entire client data, or we can say the portal, we have migrated to Azure cloud, GCP cloud, and your AWS cloud, these 3 clouds, by using Terraform code and by using Docker file also, right? So how basically we are implementing all those monitoring tools, and whether you talk about Splunk, whether you talk about Grafana, whether you talk about Prometheus, whether you talk about Zabbix and all. See, I worked on all these things, guys, and especially how to design your pipeline, how to create Terraform code, whether it's main.tf file is there, or Terraform. That variable file is there, or output.tf file is there, right? And recently now they have deprecated, I would say, Jenkins. So we were using in industry GitHub Actions, so that is much more supportive and faster compared to Jenkins, because Jenkins required a lot of plugins and all. But here if you talk about GitHub Actions, so the GitHub Actions is much more efficient, okay, and you no need to struggle a lot, okay, for the plugins part and all, right? The workflow is simple and easy, which you need to understand. But yeah, so you need to work on the answer to your question, especially migration projects are important, and these migration projects are from my previous organization only. Those projects only I'm replicating over here in my own infrastructure. So you are going to get a real-time production ready projects, okay? These are not some free projects like others are doing. No, I am not doing those things, because I have to tell you how an actual project look like, okay, how you have to work in, what type of a work is there, then only you will understand. And that I'm only showing it to my live online batches, okay? And those who have still not enrolled in my live classes, okay, so please they can click on this one. And I'll, if you have still doubt in your mind, I know doubt will be there, nobody can directly go and make the course fee immediately. You can reach anyways, guys, I'll reach out to you or you can reach out to me, that's not a problem. So if you wanted to reach out to me, okay, in that case what I suggest, one second guys. So in that case you can just go ahead and enroll, just click on this link, enroll, okay? So I'll reach out to, or my team will reach out to you, okay? And if my team is not able to resolve your queries or doubts, I'll connect with you. Mostly I'll connect with you, and you can connect. And or else if you wanted to connect with me, if you are don't wanted to enroll also, before that you wanted to connect, then just send a mail to this one. Simple and easy process, okay? support@abrosh.com. Okay, this is simple and easy process, okay? Even if you don't wanted to go to the website and enroll yourself, okay, enrollment, or you can directly, even if you click on the payment one, you just initiate the transaction, okay? And if you wanted to cancel also, you can cancel the transaction. Anyways, the details will be with me, I'll connect with you, okay? Hope you get your answer, Abdul. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Ashish Raj sir, I am a BCA first year. Can I get internship after completion your course? Yes, yes, Ashish. That is internship. Yes, you are going to get the internship, but for internship you need to connect with. You need to fill the form. So you can see in there, there is a dedicated form for, you need to submit your detail for the internship, because we have to issue an internship letter for you, okay? So you have to finish the course first, okay, the training first. So once you finish the training charges you have to pay for that one, that's what the fee is there, which is applicable. And after that, once you submit that one, our team will reach out to you, okay, which project you are comfortable, because in the official, because from my company we have to mention, right, what project you have worked on. Those project only it will be mentioned in your internship letter. You can use it anywhere, any company, Google or anywhere, okay, irrespective of single thinking that right. So it is 100% genuine, okay? You can use it anywhere. Fine. I hope this is clear for you, Ashish. Right? So, sir, they are opening going for Linux administrator in company. Yes, Kiran, there are so many openings are there. You can go and check. Even if you, and there are required. See now that's what I told, right? So I think it is more than 70K jobs are available only for the Linux roles or shell scripting. See, as I told you, every role, whether you go for a Linux admin role, whether you go for application support role or a production support role or a SRE role or a platform engineer role, or you are going for a cloud engineer role, or you are going for a system integration role, or if you are going for a DevOps role, the base is Linux and shell scripting from day one only, I'm telling you. And I have proved also. I have proved also. And there are few more videos also in DevOps which is coming soon. I'm going to upload. Okay, you guys can visit those videos. There also I have explained in my live classes how it is directly related to your Linux and shell scripting. If you don't know Linux and shell scripting, please do not do DevOps. Straightforward, I'm telling you. If you do not know Linux and shell scripting, please do not do DevOps. Otherwise, you are going to suffer a lot. Okay, and you have to do it. These are the pillars. First pillar is your Linux, second pillar is your shell scripting, third pillar is your database, fourth pillar is your cloud. Okay, irrespective of any cloud, I'm not telling you go and do only AWS. You can do Azure, you can do GCP also, do any private cloud also, fine, but do at least one cloud. Okay, these four are mandatory. If somebody is telling you I'm going to teach you DevOps, this, that, and all, so either he's trying to make you fool, okay, and he's just trying to, because he just wanted to make sure his goal should be achieved, but your goal is not going to achieve. Very honestly, I'm telling you, and you will be suffering. And that I have seen already. So many candidates, and they are telling, sir, from last 2 years, sir, we are struggling to get a job. I have done this training from this institute. I have spent almost 1 lakh in DevOps. Why you are spending? Answer is very straightforward and simple. You have to do it Linux. You have to do the shell scripting. You have to do the database. You have to do the AWS. Then only you can go for any DevOps role. Then DevOps will become like this. And I have proved also. In those videos also I have proved there is a direct relation. How? I'll tell you. There is one migration. I told you the migration project. So in migration project, if you have to deploy the Splunk, how you are going to deploy the Splunk? For example, I am telling you, you have to install and configure the Splunk. Okay. So first part is that. Okay. First thing is that you should know the shell scripting. Because if you have to implement the Splunk, you have to install or configure the Splunk. Or for example, configuration management tool. In my previous two, that's what in the migration project, they have a dedicated server, okay, for CMTU, configuration management tool. To install and configure management tool, what is that? Ansible. So before using Ansible, you have to install and configure Ansible, yes or no? Or you are going to do everything in the air? If somebody is there who is telling no, where you have to install and configure Ansible first, then only you are going to use the Ansible ad hoc commands, or you are going to use the Ansible playbooks, or you are going to use the Ansible roles, right? Anything before executing it. First you need to configure and install it. How you are going to do it? Are you going to do it manually? No, we cannot do it manually. We don't have this much time to do it manually. So you have to write a script for that one. Those things also I am teaching. This is how we have done the migration. Guys, you guys are again in the wrong track. Road is straight only. But if you wanted to take the shortcut, you take it. It's your wish. You take it shortcut. There is no shortcut. You have to build the building. Keep on telling I am. You don't want to put the foundation and you are telling I have to build the building. Okay, go ahead and build it. Your building is collapsed. Within it is not going to. How you are going to make sure your building is standing tall, right? Answer is simple, guys. I don't know from where and all you guys are getting all these things, information and all, and who all are people are there. Okay, that is their job. And if you wanted to get into the trap of those people, please go ahead and do it. I'm straightforward. There's nothing. I'm like this only, guys. I cannot hide things, which is truth. The truth is truth. Okay. So, fine, sir. So I have told you, right? The openings I have explained. I have explained so many things in this one. Ashish, sir, please reply my question. I have already replied your question, Ashish. Sir, is it possible for me to get the internship in second year if I have skill and I join? What is that? If I have skill, 1 second, guys. Sorry. Ashish, sir, first year you have asked. Again, year. Okay. What is that question of Ashish? Where I think I have, where is that Ashish question? I think I have answered your question, Ashish. Okay, Kiran, I have answered your question, Ashish. Sir, please reply my question. I have answered your question. Sir, is it possible for me to get the internship in second year if I skilled and I join your course? Yeah, it is possible. Okay, you can come at any time. I'm ready to give you once as soon as you have to join the training. Once you join the training, okay, after that only you are going to get the internship, Assis, or you want the internship only with from me. Okay, no, you have to get the training. You have to get skilled. Okay, if you want the internship later from my company, okay, you have to get the training first. Fine. So Aditya Kavitakar, Linux administrator. Okay, I don't know what you are asking. Ashish Raj sir, please reply. I have already answered. Please don't ask the same question again and again. Ashish Subramaniam Subha, hi sir. I hope you are doing well. Would you like to talk to you offline regarding my next move from non-IT to IT sector? Uh, that is fine, right? So this is you. Okay, you wanted to move from a non-IT to IT. Yes, it's possible, Subramaniam Subbu. Okay, you can talk with me. So for that, Subramaniam, as of now, if you wanted to connect with me, okay, so you need to connect via my live classes only. That is only the one way you can connect with me. Because as of now, I have not started the career counseling again, okay, in my channel. Right, so because I'm not getting time, so and now I am moving it to, that is what I have shown you, right? So I am going to move it to the freshertube.com. So soon those services will be available in my freshertube.com. So you no need to come for the live classes for only for a career counseling or only for a mock interview. So the process is going to be simple and easy. You just go to my freshertube.com, enroll yourself, okay, and I'll connect you to for the career counseling or for your mock interview and all. I hope this is going to you got your answer, Subramaniam Subbu. So, okay, Subramanya, after I gone through most of the videos in 100 Days of IT Corporate Bootcamp, your training videos are more relevant and realistic as compared with others. Thank you for appreciation. Okay, I want everybody should be see. I know there are some few videos I have uploaded in my channel also, but those are recorded videos. But it's not live classes videos, guys. Okay, so if you get that content, okay, but if you want the full hands-on, real-time, production-based, all projects. Okay, then you have to join my live online batches. Subramaniam Subbu. Okay. So Rohit Chauhan, hello sir. How much duration to learn entry level job in Linux administrator and what to learn and all? It's already same thing, Rohit. Not only Linux, I'm telling you, shell scripting also you need to do it. Okay. So these are the base. Okay. And anyways, if you're going with Linux and shell scripting, so it's better that you come and join my 100 Days of IT Corporate Bootcamp. Hemant, I need to prepare for 2 years experience Linux admin. I need a suggestion from you. What are all topics are important? All the topics are important in Linux because they have a direct relation with your DevOps. Okay, so I'll give you a few example of that one. Hemant, just see my screen and let me know if you are able to see my screen or not. Okay, are you able to see my screen, Hemant? Can somebody confirm me they are able to see my screen? Okay. Now see here, just to tell you a straightforward answer, if you come over here and if you see the topics, especially Hemant over here, right? So you can see the topics, okay? Oh, sorry, 1 second, guys. I only automated this one. Okay, so if you click over here, it will redirect to this topic. So these are the topics I am going to cover in Linux. That includes all server part also. Okay, whether it's introduction to Linux and all. These are the basic things and all. But it all starts from here. Okay, so it's all starts from here, like managing file system and partition. So what do you think? Managing file system is partition is only related to Linux? No, it is related to your cloud also. When you are going to launch an instance in your AWS cloud also, so there also EBS volume will be there, right? So how you are going to manage your EBS volume, and there also S3 bucket is there, right? So S3 bucket is your object storage and all. So how you are going to manage your object storage and all? Logical volume manager is there, right? So here you are telling logical volume manager where you are using LUNs and all. Okay, same thing you have to do it in your AWS cloud also. In Docker also, this. So what do you think? This file system partition will not be there, or this logical volume manager will not be there? Who told you? Okay, because at the end of the day, where you are going to install those Docker engine or your Kubernetes cluster on top of Linux operating system only. So the resources, it's going to use it from your Linux operating system only, correct? Whether it's CPU, whether it's disk, whether it's memory, RAM, those containers are just, you guys have seen ships, right? So you are telling without C, you wanted to sell the ship. Is it possible? Without the sea, you wanted to sell the ship. On top of that ship, okay, you are loading your container, correct? That is what you are telling me. So boss, how come it is possible? Okay, or you need a ship first, correct? Correct. So those, that ship is nothing but that is like your Docker, right? And your container or engine, you can say Docker engine. Okay, on top of that you are spinning up your containers, but at the end of the day it is using resources from here. Where it is using in same way in Linux. Okay, if you install Docker or if you install Kubernetes cluster, guys, please understand, whether you run a Docker ps command or whether you are running a Docker ps-a command, so it is already part of Linux process management ps-e pipe grep, right? They are also that is only the same thing you are using over here. Again, one more example, then it will be more clear for you. Okay, you guys are still, I don't know who all these people are there who is guiding you guys. Okay, so you just need to understand, I am telling you user management, right? So user management is not there in Docker, user management is not there in Jenkins, user management is not there. Ansible user will be there, service account will be there, right? See, managing SC Linux, permissions related to your all tools. So you have to make sure how you are going to make sure the permission which you are putting not only at file level, at directory level, but it is also on top of that also there are some permissions which has to be enabled to run your services, whether you are running Apache HTTP server, whether you are running Nginx server, whether you are running any other server. Guys, each and every topic, you tell me, I can prove. I have a direct, because I have done all those things. Okay, you talk about this SSH authentication. That is what I was telling. This SSH authentication has a direct relation of with your Ansible. Just now I was telling you how Ansible server or controller node is authenticating with the managed nodes. How it is happening? Via SSH. And SSH comes under your Linux. You don't know how to generate a public key, how to generate a private key, how to deploy those public key into those managed nodes. And how you are going to deploy? Are you going to deploy manually? You have to use again shell scripting. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, I don't know from where and all you guys are getting training. Okay, and either those people are have not worked in migration project and I in industry only, they are teaching you. Okay, understand this one. See this one. This is just an example I am giving you. Okay, this is the same thing. This is just an architectural view of Ansible. The deep, you will not believe, even you can do patching with the help of Ansible controller node. And that is what the same project I have done in my previous organization when I was in HCL. That client, again, because of confidential reason, I cannot take the name of that one. There they were using Ansible playbooks to patch their server. You know about patching. Patching also I am teaching. Who will do this much, guys? With the help of real-time project. These all are not our free projects like others are doing. Abhishek, Roshan doesn't give free projects and all. Just to make you fool. No. Everything will be real production environment ready. If you are ready, then come to me. Okay, so point here is that, see, if you wanted to communicate from your controller node where your inventory will be there. Inventory is what? Basically, the nodes, details of these nodes, your managed node details will be there. That will be in your inside the inventory. Those are the IPs. Basically, these node IPs will be there. But the point here is, if this is your controller node, you wanted to communicate from this controller node to this all managed node, then how you are going to do it? With the help of SSH. You are telling, I don't want to learn Linux. SSH is a part of purely Linux. SSH authentication. So you have to deploy the public key which you have generated from the controller node to all these nodes. Then only you can establish connectivity between managed nodes to your controller node. Boss, where you are, guys? I don't know. That is purely Linux. And how you are going to deploy that one? You are going to deploy with the help of shell scripting. You have to do SSH. You have to automate. Those scripts also I am giving in my live classes candidate. Those scripts also directly I am giving it to them. Use those scripts. You have to write out those scripts. You need to know shell scripting. Because where you are going to install your Ansible, guys, every topic has a direct relation. I am telling you, the topics what I am covering, I can prove everywhere. I have proved. Whether it's Docker, whether it's Terraform, whether it's Ansible, whether it's Splunk, whether it's Grafana, everything has a direct connection, direct without direct dependency. I can say. You are talking about repository. Arey boss, software package management, yum repository. First, you need to learn how to configure a repository first in your Linux only. You don't know about the repository. You don't know how to configure repository. You don't know the RPM packages and all. You don't know about the DNF. You don't know about the yum and all. And you are talking about you wanted to become DevOps engineer. My best wishes with you. And those people who are making you fool, please go ahead with them. My word looks harsh for you, but I cannot misguide. Which is there, which has to be there. If you are telling no, sun, sun is not there. Fine, guys. Okay. So, okay, fine. So, Rohit Chan, hello, sir. How much duration? Okay, I have already, Hemant, I have given your answer. I hope you got your answer, Hemant. Okay. Thank you. So, hi, sir. I am 31. Can I learn? You, are boss, who does our age is respective of learning something? I don't know why you guys are asking this kind of a question, but anyways, question is question. Even if you, I'll tell you, and again I'm giving every time I prove. I am a person without data I don't talk. You know, right? I'm ready to prove also. I have candidates Ivan. I have candidates Alex, who is more than 40 or 50 years old. They connect from UK. They connect from US and all. My candidates. If they can learn, why cannot you learn, AJ? They are getting job in their country. Why my people are not getting job in my country? Because they think a lot. They don't want to implement. They think a lot. They are not practical, but your thinking is too much. Please don't think too much. Do it. Subramaniam Subbu, I am completely into sales in banking and I wanted to move into IT. What are the possibilities and chances to move from sales into IT, sir? I'd like to hear from you regarding about this one. Yes, it is possible. Okay, it is 100% possible because the job, again, data. Let's talk about data. Okay, so if you go to any of the job role, does they have mentioned that specifically? I'm telling you, you go to any of the job portal. Okay, just see the job description and just see the job specification. There are two headlines. One is your job description, one is your job specification. In job specification, what they mention, they specially mention that they need BE, BTech, MTech, or they need 15 plus year education. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes, right? And in most of the places, they are going to mention any graduates. Does they are mentioning that they need only engineers? They are mentioning any graduate. So just question to you, Subramaniam Subbu, you are graduate or not? You are graduate, right? Or you are only 12th pass? You are graduate, right? They are telling any graduates. What does it mean? So they are looking for a resource who is skilled and he has a graduation degree. As simple as that. Now the point here is you have worked on in sales and IT and all those things. Okay. Now once you will get skilled, you can prepare your resume according to that. And that is what me and my team is helping you. Purely resume building and all. Correct? For that, you have to join the online classes, live online classes. Or does I am getting any Akaswani? No, right? Okay, so Kushal sir, with the rise of AI, how should I learn topics? It can do all the repetitive tasks, right? So how I can learn topics so that I can do tasks which AI cannot? Okay, repetitive tasks I have given you just now, that repetitive task only. Okay, so to avoid repetitive tasks, there are two ways. Either you have to learn shell scripting or you have to learn Python, because shell scripting is coming by default with whom? Shell scripting coming by default with your Linux only, and that is what I am teaching. And now the next part is that if you have to automate your task, you can do it with the help of your configuration management tool also, Ansible. That is already part of my live online classes. Kushal, AI, you guys are still not able to understand what AI is doing. AI, if you are talking about a dedicated tool and all, that is different thing. Okay, but let's talk about Chat GPT. So do you really think Chat GPT, you go and tell, okay, I want to automate, you are type, you are giving your prompt, because I am doing it on a regular basis with Chat GPT also. Okay, Chat GPT is not 100%. Okay, there also how it is. See, first, if you had to, how, if you are feeling hungry, you have to eat food, right? If you are hungry, then only you are energyless. Okay, you are telling I did not eat anything from 3 days. So what you are going to do? First, you have to eat food. It will go, and then only you are going to get the energy, right? Correct. Same way here also in Chat GPT, you have to give them prompts, right? But before that, you should know your craft. You should know that what you are doing, right? First, you have to give them the input, and first time it is not going to get the output. It's not like that you are typing something and Chat GPT is. It's not magic. It's all about training Chat GPT. Okay, means your input he will enhance, he will modify, and he will give you one output according to that, according to your prompt. Okay, and once you have to again implement the same thing in your environment, you have to give your input again in that one, what issues you are going to face. You have to be, human intervention is required for troubleshooting and all, right? So once you have implemented that one, once you have troubleshooted, again you are going to get the error. Again you go and check with ChatGPT what is that error. He will be giving you another solution if you wanted to, and use your input. So your expertise is required. So your expertise is first required to train ChatGPT. So you need to know first of all what is, you have to know, right? You have to write it down one shell scripting from your end, correct? Then only you can provide that input to the Chat GPT. And if you are facing an issue, you can ask to him, and you have to, again, it's a back and forth process, guys. Nobody is taking anyone's job. You guys still not understanding how it works. Please understand first of all, and to automate your task, you have to First, write a script from your end. You have to learn shell scripting first. Then only you can give input to someone, right? Or you are telling chat GPT, give me a, okay, you see, at least if you are going to cook something, you have to put the ingredients first, right? Then only you are going to get the output, right? As a some, if I'm talking about, same goes for shell scripting also. In some, like one shorts also recently I have uploaded how pipe work. If as an input of one command you are giving, sorry, the output of one command, for example short command is there, the short command output you are giving as an input to the other command with the help of pipe. You don't know about this one and you are talking about chat GPT, AI and all. Boss, where you are? I have done all these things practically, and all these things are required in migration projects. Okay, what was the question? Kaushal, I hope you get your answer. Ravi Teja, hi sir, I want to learn Linux admin. Could you please add Linux videos on one by one? Okay, so it is easy to learn. Please, thank you, Ravi Teja. It is whatever it is there in my channel, it is there. Okay, and if you really wanted to learn production hands-on experience, okay, with real-time troubleshooting, right? Then you have to join my live online batches. As simple as that. Okay. I don't know, Kaushal and all. Okay, I think I have covered most of the questions, guys. And again, guys, it's hardly, again, I'm telling you, those who are interested to join my live online batches. Okay, it's hardly 1 second. Where is that? Okay, just click on this link. Okay, and you'll be redirected to, and I'm not telling you just go ahead and make the payment. Okay, obviously nobody will do, even if I have to buy something also. Very practically I'm talking about. Okay, first I'll talk to the instructor. If you wanted to talk to me, you have any queries, any doubts, okay, first go ahead and just initiate the transaction and cancel the transaction. Your details will be there. Me or my team will reach out to you. Mostly I will only reach outing to you. Okay, and as I told you, I don't teach more than 50 candidates in one batch. As simple as that. Okay, so because I wanted to mentor them for next 6 months, that is how I used to do it. Okay, if I am going to take you in my batch, so Abhishek Roshan is taking full responsibility of yours. Okay, Abhishek Roshan is going to take full ownership of yours. Okay, so that what expectation you have, you should achieve that expectation. Correct, but you should be ready how I take classes and all. You have seen my way of teaching and all. I'm not a traditional teacher. Okay, and it's all, I am all thing, whatever the content is there, it's from my production environment. Those things only I am teaching my candidates. Okay, and those are not free contents. First of all, those are purely those projects are very confidential, and it can be only used by my live classes candidates. So for the projects, for the real-time troubleshooting, for hands-on experience, you have to join my live online classes. Plus, what all doubts related to, if you are an experienced professional or you are a fresher, I am happy to help you. Okay, fine, guys. Sir, I'll be signing for batch 4. Thank you. Next week. Thank you, William. My candidates, guys, they are from US. And again, I don't wanted to repeat all those things. Okay, from where they are and all. I believe that whoever is coming to me, he should get maximum out of me, and he should get the result with proper path, with proper guidance. Okay, correct, fine. So that's it for today, guys. I think I have covered most of the things. Okay, related to that one. And again, I'm telling you, there is nothing bad in this one, and there is nothing hidden. If you have financial issues, if you have financial constraint to join the live online batches, so my channel is there. Please go ahead. In my channel also there are so many videos. If you think that that is sufficient for you, you can go ahead and you can subscribe the channel, right? You can share with your friends, family and all. You can do it. Okay, you there also content is there. Okay, but if you wanted a real time experience, production ready experience, or you are looking for hands on experience, okay, how and the projects, especially production ready projects, so you have to join my live online. And you wanted to get mentor from Abhishek, Roshan for next 6 months, okay, then you have to join my live online batches. Simple straightforward answer. Okay, right? And those who have still not subscribed the channel, first go ahead and subscribe the channel. Your support is needed, guys. Yes, there are videos also will be coming soon in my channel, okay, related to DevOps now, because I have already covered the videos related to Linux, shell scripting, AWS. Now DevOps is pending. Okay, so DevOps videos will be there. There will be more mock interviews also will be coming soon in my channel. And but yes, those are in general videos will be there. It's not in depth, or I would say it's not related to your project and all, because for that you have to join the live online batches, guys. Okay, so that will be there. The data which I can publicly publish, only those videos will be there, because there are some few things which I cannot publicly publish, which for that you have to join my batches. Fine. And if you wanted to mentorship from me, then also you have to be join my live online batches, where I'm giving all those support. You need any support and all, so for that you have to join the batches and all. Okay, fine. And that's it for today, guys. So let's end up this live session here only, guys. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again next Sunday for the live session. I would say 55th live session. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.